Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on post approval in Facebook group. So for you to do that, you have to open your Facebook app on your iPhone. Then you're going to tap at the menu icon. Then you're going to tap on group. Once you tap on group, then move up here and tap on your groups. Once you tap on it, then you will see the numbers of group under your manage. You can see in this video I only have one group. Then I'll tap on the group, then tap on manage. Then once the page is, when the group is opened, then you scroll down a little, then you tap on group settings. Then once you tap on group settings, you're going to scroll down a little bit, then you tap on under manage discussion, and you're going to tap on post approval. Then you check the circle button and you save. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.